Welcome friends, welcome to Online Learning Box. I'm Kartick. Today I'm going to discuss about illustration or graphic design, whatever you like to say. So this is called Adobe Illustrator. There are many software in the marketplace. You can search on Google illustration software or illustrating software. Okay, let's try. Sorry, there's something here. Cursor here. Illustration software or illustrations. This is illustration software. Okay. I can download free. This is illustration software, Adobe Illustrator first. Adobe Photoshop also illustration, but I later on discuss about this vector and what is pixel. Okay, this is not Creative Cloud is another thing. Okay, in this case this is also graphic design software. There are so many graphic design software, but there should be a Corel Draw, but not found here. Corel Draw and Serif, one of this software. SVG Edit, it's a child play, but okay. Now this today we're discussing about this Adobe Illustration. So let's start. This is called Adobe Illustrator. For installing this software, I recommend you at least install i7 processor or larger than 4 GB RAM. So it's will be rendering first. So I will look about this software. This is the interface of Adobe Illustrator. This is a very heavy software. So if you have Windows i7 processor, so it will rendering faster than i5 or the lowest versions i3 or dual core. But please, I recommend you do not install it in dual core version, because that time it will be rendering very slow. So let's take some examples. Go to file and new. You can title anything. I want to title here online learning box. Okay. So here you can use any kind of software, A4, A3. Many of this time I use A4, A3 size. Sorry. So this is the orientations. It is portrait and it is landscape. So now for this example, I use portrait version. So okay. No auto saving. It's a plugin. So it's the original tools here, but here I want to say something about pen tool. This is a very important thing. All Adobe Illustration or illustrating software, you can find many of the illustration or designing software. This is pen tool, so you should familiar with this pen tool. So this is called eyedropper tool or color picker tool. This technical name is eyedropper tool. This is nice. Okay, let's take something. This is actually called vector path. Okay, let's see this vector. If I enlarge the file size, this property does not lose any quality. Okay, discuss something about this our later on, the pixel and what is vector. in this video. So see at last to this video. Okay, Adobe Illustrator is a professional quality graphics art program. Okay, its applications are diverse, from creating print to web graphics or many others, posters, many other things. Okay, now in this tutorial I'm using Adobe Illustrator. There are many importance for using this kind of software or this software, because you can find other software or illustration in the marketplace. Usually using this popular software, vector graphics or vector editing programming software, whatever you would like to say. Oops, don't worry, I want to say something about the vector and pixel. So this is called vector. Why this is called vector? So have a look about MS Paint. Okay, go to MS Paint. So just type run and type here MS Paint, and enter. So discuss about something. This is called pixel art. Okay, this is called pixel. Let's see. Actually this is using this for showing you. This is called, when I draw any line, straight line. So look, there is no curve area, no zigzag area, but when I draw this kind of shape, this kind of shape, this is this you can do, and I enlarge this size. This is zigzag. This is what happens. This magically appears in zigzag areas. This is not vector. So why this is happening here? So actually something I have to tell about this vector and pixel. Let's okay. The topic that we have to discuss the pixel also. So the key difference between the pixel and vector based graphic is how the image is structured. Pixel based, okay, let's take examples of pixel and vector side by side. This is called vector and this is pixel. Okay, see the difference. Both are things. Graphics are made up lots of teeny physical squares. Let's look at this teeny physical square, not this one, teeny physical square or pixels, whereas a vector graphics are mapped out using mathematical equations, which calculated the edges of the say it is relations to the another. Okay, this is actually information stored in the computer graphics, and it's actually follow a mathematical rule. Okay, as in we can take an examples of font. Okay. Fonts are always created using vector, so that the colors can be changed, the symbols can be easily scaled up and any size without losing its quality. This is very, very important, without losing its quality. Examples of font. Why I'm telling you this about this font, examples of font. So go to run and type WinWord. It's actually the shortcut how to open from run program your MS Office. Okay, so see this is called font. There are so many kinds of font version. So I want to use this one, my favorite one, type font. And if I want to use this larger size, look, this font is not losing its quality because this is a vector. This is not pixel, this is vector, and that is why it's not losing its quality. Okay, if I want to use the larger version, 172, just press enter. See what happened. It's not losing its quality. So that's why the font are always made up of vector, because vector always follow the mathematical path, the mathematical rules, which is store informations stored in the computer, so it cannot lose its quality. And if it is pixel, it's always losing its quality when it increases its size or decreasing its size. So if you want to decrease its size, the quality will remain same. See, its quality will remain same. Okay. Because if it is a pixel, it will definitely it's losing its quality. But when we discuss about this kind of vector, it cannot be lose its quality. Okay, because it is always using a mathematical rules and follow mathematical paths. So this is the path, actually this anchor point. I will discuss about this elaborately in later on. Okay, in the contrast of digital photos. Okay, so see the digital photos, the equals are always made up the pixels, which allows for much colors, and each physical pixels blocked can be colored individually, or whether each saves begins mapped out and filled up with gradients. Okay, later on I will discuss about this gradients. Okay, so what happens as it would have to be if it were made up using this vector, not losing its quality. Okay, but in the case of this is a very important difference between vector and pixels. Okay. So there are lots of things we should learn in later on, so don't save. There's many features of this software. This is a layer panel. Okay, we can, and this is a very important part. I will discuss about this later on. This artboard. Okay, you can actually change the artboard size. If you see this area, I can actually change the size. Okay. These are very good features, and there is a very important feature. So you can actually, when you done anything wrong and later on you think that this accidentally done, so you can use Ctrl Z to undo anything. Those are very good features. So have a look about this. You can draw something and everything later on think you cancel. You can think that is done by accidentally. Let's only think Ctrl Z. Okay, This is the first class and introductory class of our designing. So later on we'll discuss about the many features and almost about the very good introductions of the pen tool, and this is a very important thing in whole Adobe illustrations. Pen tool, I will discuss how to use this pen tool. You can click here, pen tool, add anchor point, delete anchor point, so many things. So enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this class. So if you did, so big thumbs up for me or online learning box. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.